Hey guys, day 7, 2 days till spring break. That's super exciting. So today and tomorrow, hopefully you're getting your work in so you don't have to do anything over spring break. However, if you are a little overwhelmed and you need to get some of that work done over spring break, that is totally fine. I have everything open until the 19th of April. So make sure you do hand everything in before that, okay? Also, hopefully you have either taken your packet to the school, and I am going to receive that for your first 10 days, so the 17th through the 30th. Hopefully you did hand that in. If you did not hand that in, make sure that you send me pictures of that. Either go to this assignment and add those pictures to that, or email me, okay? Make sure your parents or someone at home emails me those pictures so that way I can give you a grade. That is the third marking period, so make sure that that is turned in. Okay, so today's schedule, we're just going to go to your extended schedule, closure schedule here. So day 7, you're going to do a journal number 7. You're going to read the News ELA article about school starting later. Now that you are home, kind of homeschooling at this point, this is an interesting read for you to see how you're doing at home versus at school and what time you guys wake up and all that kind of stuff. So that's kind of cool. There will be a video of me reading that article to you, as well as after you read the article or listen to the article, you need to take the quiz. Okay, so if we go back, this is actually your screen that you see. So if we go back, your journal for today, make sure you are turning these in. So we are talking about persuasive writing, remember, and we're talking about argumentative writing. So we're talking about making a point. So what is the purpose of your writing? So number 7, your journal number 7, Mr. Orman has asked students to suggest a rule that should be changed. So think of different rules that we might have at school. What rule do you think might need to be changed, or you would want to be changed? So you're thinking about one rule that you would like to have changed. Write a letter convincing Mr. Ortman that this rule should be changed. So you're going to start off your letter with Dear Mr. Ortman, comma, enter, and then start your new line, okay? Be sure to support your opinion with convincing reasons and evidence. So when you go and you click View Assignment, make sure you go into View Assignment. That's how you're going to get to this page here. You're going to click Add or Create, and then New Document. That'll bring up a brand new document where you can start your writing. Okay, so make sure that you go through that process. You can also do it in your writing notebook. I'm okay with that. Just make sure you're sending me a picture of your writing. Okay, and the notebook needs to be a full page, no spaces between the lines, full page, single spaced, and then in Google Docs it can be double spaced 14-point font. Okay, full page though, double space. Hopefully you guys are getting this stuff done. If we go into classwork, we go back to our screen here, we go to classwork, go down to your News ELA. This will pop up, okay? News ELA, school starting later. This is the article. Underneath of this, we'll have the audio of me reading that, and then your quiz will be here, okay? I will also read the quiz questions in the next video, so make sure you're watching that. Again, if you have any questions, make sure you comment on this video or you shoot me an email. I am available all day long, so I should be able to get back to you pretty quickly. Hope you guys are having a great day. One more day till spring break. And hopefully you guys are getting outside. All right. I will see you guys tomorrow.